Saturday morning, it's Black Friday. It's kind of, somebody said the other day, Black November, and I think that's really a good expression because we've looked for deals that are just tremendous. These are all viscose knits. They're $14.99 today and tomorrow. So I'm going to explain the colors to you. They're just beautiful. These are very Italian influenced. They're all Italian goods, viscose knits. Some have stretch, like this is stretch in one direction, a little bit in both directions, but this is a grape and a teal on like a taupe background. It's very pretty. The colors are really pretty. The drape is really wonderful. It's just so uniquely different. This one is a navy and gold. Oh, it's so soft. It's unbelievable how soft this is. It has stretch in both directions. I say gold, maybe taupey color, but navy is the background on this. Again, great drape, beautiful two-way stretch, solid black, viscose knit, $14.99. This is such a giveaway. This has a really two-way stretch, beautiful drape to it. This is a deep, like a blood red. It's so pretty. It's like a deep wine background, but then red and cream on the front. Very Italian. You can see the paisleys, which is a very Italian influence. Beautiful piece of fabric. Great drape. This is paisleys again. The red. There's a blue in there, kind of on a cream background. This is stretching. I put one direction. It is two directions, but it's a slight stretch. It's not a real stretchy stretch like this one is. Isn't that pretty? The background on this is black. You've got the red also. Again, the paisleys and the floral, very Italian. Stretch in both directions and just lovely. And again, $14.99, you guys. One thing I do is all my pajamas are viscose knits because they're just so wonderful year round. But anyway, the goal, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.